everyone, welcome back to my channel. Sorry about the noise. I was trying to film but I couldn't. But we are on my way into a car wash. We are doing this for the video. So it is super cold. Hey guys, so after I get my car wash, I do like to clean it with, I'm gonna position my thing here. It's gonna look ugly. Oh, it's fine. So I like to clean it with these. I am going to position this and just drive my car. Please excuse the bumper and the wheels and all that. My car's been through it, okay? I'm going to meet up with my boyfriend. He's also getting a car wash. We go to separate car washes just because I do pay a monthly subscription to be able to clean my car every day. Don't ask why I have it. So I'm going to go ahead and drive there right now. I think he should be done anytime soon. So I'm just gonna meet up with him and we're gonna just vacuum my cars. My car is so dirty. If you want a sneak peek. You guys might not think this is dirty to you, but like, look at this. You can't even see it. But like all the dust, no. So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna get my car nice and clean. I want the warm weather. I want it so bad. I just finished cleaning my car. Finally got that out of the way. She looks so good. My car's name is Shelby, by the way. Comment down below if you have a car. And if you were to get a car, what would you name it? My name is Shelby. She's a cutie. She's nice and clean. I did have to clean my back seats just because they were a little dirty. Same with my passenger side. I couldn't clean my side obviously because I don't want my seat to be wet since I have to drive. But yeah, she's nice and clean. I'm so happy. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you did enjoy this video. Also comment down below if you guys would like me to do more vlogs like this instead of just basing my channel off of my fitness journey. Obviously I would love to take you guys along with me in my little day-to-day duties. I live a pretty boring life, but I will try and make it as fun as possible for you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along with me. I will see you guys next time. Bye.